Your database is one of the most important areas of your development office, and there are 3 reasons for it. Number 1, focus. Experts tell us and have told us for a long time about the 80-20 principle, that 80% of your funds will come from 20% of your audience. We know also that experts are telling us that that is changing, that 90% of our funds are coming from only 10% of our donor base. Therefore, we need to be focused. We need to be focused on our database and allowing our database to tell us the right information and the right people to call on. Here at Advocacy, we have something called Donor Compass that can help you identify those top donors and help in approaching those top donors. That will give you focus and not wasting time on some of the other things that we think we should be doing. Next, a great database gets us organized. One of the things that I'm noticing out there in our travels and doing development work is that we're not recording information about our donors. We're hearing some amazing things out there. You know, people are struggling with their children, with their grandchildren, maybe a medical condition or a future surgery coming up. And what we need to do is record that information so the data can remind us that maybe we need to call them and pray with them. Maybe we need to just call them out of the blue and say, we're thinking of you and we're thinking of your son, whatever the situation might be. Use your database to help you organize. And then lastly, use your database to keep you accountable. Produce those reports that you need in order to tell you that you're doing things right, you're doing things wrong, you need to change some things, and your data can give you the right reports to help you in keeping yourself accountable. Listen, if we focus with our database, we stay organized with our database, and we allow our database to hold us accountable, we will have a live and vibrant development department.